What if I told you most people won't retire with $1 million? And even more shocking, many aren't even close. You've probably heard it everywhere. You need $1 million to retire comfortably. But is that actually true? Or is it just another financial myth? Today we're breaking down what Americans really have saved, whether $1 million is enough, and how you can actually retire without stress. Let's dive in. Bar chart section 1: The $1 million myth. For years, financial experts have pushed this idea. Save $1 million and you're set for retirement. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. Life isn't simple. Inflation is rising. Healthcare costs are exploding. People are living longer than ever. So that $1 million, it might not go as far as you think. In fact, depending on where you live, could last only 15 to 20 years. And if you retire early, that money could run out even faster. Chart decreasing section 2: What Americans actually save. Now here's the reality check. Most Americans don't even come close to $1 million. Let's break it down. The average retirement savings is around $65,000 to $90,000. Many people have less than $10,000. Some have nothing at all. Yes, zero. And that's scary. Why is this happening? Rising cost of living, debt, credit cards, loans, lack of financial education, living paycheck to paycheck. So while the dream is $1 million, the reality is completely different. Money with Wings section 3: Why saving is so hard. Let's be real for a second. Saving money today is hard. Think about it. Rent keeps increasing. Food prices are going up. Unexpected expenses hit constantly. And when you finally have a little extra, something always comes up. That's why many people delay saving. They say, I'll start next year. I need to earn more first. But that delay costs you big. Because time is the most powerful factor in building wealth. Hourglass Not Done section 4: The Power of Time. If you start saving early, even small amounts, you can beat someone saving more later. Example: Person A starts at 25. Person B starts at 40. Even if Person B saves double, Person A often ends up with more. Why? Compound interest. Your money starts making money, and that money makes even more money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. The earlier you start, the bigger it gets. Bank section 5. Is $1 million enough? Now the big question. Is $1 million enough to retire? The answer is, it depends. Let's break it down. If you withdraw about 4% per year, $1 million equals $40,000 per year. Now ask yourself, can you live comfortably on $40,000 per year? For some people, yes. For others, not even close. It depends on your lifestyle, your location, your expenses, your health. So instead of chasing $1 million, focus on this. Build a retirement plan that fits your life. Rocket section 6. What you should do instead. Here's the good news. You don't need to panic. You just need a plan. Start with these steps. 1. Start now, even small. Even $10 to $20 a week matters. 2. Increase income. Side hustle, freelancing, skills. 3. Invest wisely. Don't just save, grow your money. 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. Interest kills your future wealth. 5. Be consistent. Consistency beats perfection. Remember, it's not about how much you start with. It's about how long you stay in the game. So, do you really need $1 million to retire? Maybe. But the real goal is freedom. Freedom from stress. Freedom from worry. Freedom to live life your way. Start today, even if it's small. Because your future self is depending on you. Like the video, thumbs up. Subscribe for more money tips, money bag. And comment below. How much do you think you need to retire?